Hello viewers, today we will discuss the important question of a transformer. What is the reason for parallel connection of a transformer? So today we will discuss about the reason or why do we make parallel connections of a transformer. So the first reason of the parallel connection is we know that the is empirical and economical to have a single large transformer for heavy and large loads. So hence it will be a wise decision to connect number of transformer in parallel. So if we connect the parallel of a transformer, so the heavy and large load we can adjust or justify for the purpose of the parallel connection. So it is the first reason and it is the impractical and economical reason for the connection of a parallel of a transformer. So the second reason is if the transformer are connected in parallel, so there will be a scope of future for the expansion of a substation to supply a load and beyond the capacity of a transformer already installed. So the transformer are connected in parallel about the region of we can increase the future scopes of expansion of a substation. So future expansion of a substation, it is the second reason for the connection of a parallel. So it is important for the purpose of parallel connections. So the third reason is if any of the transformer for the system is taken out of service for the maintenance purpose and the inspection and the continuity of the supply will got disturbed. So if we maintain the some transformer, we can easily give the power supply or the continuity of the power supply of a transformer. So we can instant power supply or we can continuous power supply. We make the parallel connection of a transformer. It is the reason of the parallel connection of a transformer. So the next reason is if there will be any breakdown of a transformer in a system of a transformer connected in parallel, so there will be no interruption of power supply in the essential supply. For the purpose of parallel connection, if we remove one transformer for the purpose of the maintenance or the other purpose, the power supply will not interrupted. So we make the continuous power supply, we make the parallel connection of a transformer. This is the very important reason for the purpose of the parallel connections. So for the breakdown we can use the parallel connection of a transformer. So the next reason is if their transformer are connected in parallel, so there will be scope for future expansion of substation to supply the load beyond the capacity of a transformer already installed. So if we increase the substation or if we expand the substation to increase the load, we can connect the parallel of a transformer. So that's why we can increase the substation or we can connect the parallel of a transformer. As a result, we increase the substation area or we increase the number of transformer, so the load of the system will be the increase. So that's why we the reason for the parallel connection of a transformer. So hello viewers, please subscribe